from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk that deep.
Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and get all your everyday meals right here on Nerdy's Umbrella. But this is Voices from the Kitchen. So today, ladies and gentlemen, before you do anything else, like, subscribe, and share, okay? Because we got these good meals going on all right now. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to make a colorful chicken sausage vegetable medley, okay? So, back in the day, that's what we all had. We did what we had, you know what I'm saying? We only had vegetables, okay? And we had little chicken. Some of us, we had little pig skin or whatnot. So we made do what we had. So we gonna start off with some, what is this called? Some squash, some zucchini, one and the same, get your yellows and your greens together because that's always pretty, okay? So we're just gonna cut these up in like some squares or whatever you like to see the best, right? Then we'll throw some Snap Your Mama sauce on there, salt on there, but that seasoning, and then throw a little Trinity on there, okay? Remember, listen, the recipe is always going to be in the description. So if you want to follow along and cook this for your folks as well, go right ahead. Now listen, we want this thing to be colorful as heck, okay? And don't slap your mama because that just won't work, okay? Look at that. Beautiful, colorful, okay? Now that's the everyday salt. We got some everything seasoning. No salt in it whatsoever, but it's everything good seasoning, all right? We're going to get some little chicken tenders right here. And y'all already know what we finna do with these. We're going to flavor this bad boy up. We're going to flavor these bad boys up. And they're going to go in their beautiful, 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 wonderful kitchen in a box. They still are sold out. I don't think they're selling them anymore. But I'm glad I got mine. So, I'm happy about that. All right, y'all see the knives laying there. Okay, there we go. Throw them on that full paper. We're going to fold those bad boys up. And like I said, we're going to chop this sausage first, okay? That chicken went right on into that kitchen in the box because, when I put it in there, it stay juicy, it stay ready, okay? This right here, just some regular old sausage. I'm going to cut these in half because, you want that meat in every bite. You know what I'm saying? Every bite, you want a little meat. You know what I mean? Look at that. I put that turmeric on the bottom, right? Put that turmeric on there because, I want to stay a little healthy, get that body flowing. See, you know what I'm saying? I got a chicken right there laid on top. There you go. Just a little bit, just like that. Let that go. All right. Boom. Kitchen in the box. Yes, I used mine, as you can see. That's why it looked like that. That was called war wounds, you understand? You're going to put it on air fryer, 450, about 20 minutes. Let that go. All right, boom. They got a little jalapeno in it. I'd have been letting this sit over here, let it soak or whatever. Now, I just want y'all to see. There go. Half and half. I left the jalapenos whole, so you know what I'm saying? So I can know the difference, which one's hot, which one's not. Now, look at that color. The color was beautiful. Now, look at the chicken. So dang on beautiful. Look at it. Yeah. Got that nice little flavoring on there. Boom. Look at that. One hand chopping. That's what the kitchen in the box do for you. That chicken is juicy, okay? Make it juicy for you. Like, Ricky, pretty Ricky, I can make it juicy, yeah. This is what the kitchen in the box do, make that just juicy. One hand chopping, don't even have to, but I want to got it. Look at it, beautiful. Chop it up in a little couple squares or whatnot, and boom. The more meat you got in there, it's like a little protein bowl. Now you got your zucchini, you got your peppers, you got your sausage in there. Now you got your chicken in there. If that ain't healthy, I don't know what is. But it's just like, hey, get a little per avocado, olive oil in there. We're going to have to kick it with that, right? Boom. Look at that. Mix that up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this all of this. We're going to put it on her. And guess where it's going? Kitchen in the box. You know it. Y'all already knew I said what kitchen in the box. Look at those beautiful colors. Okay. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all. Don't do like I did. Okay. I mixed that in, as you see. Put a little bit in there. Throw a little bit of the chicken on there. Hey, man, we already know. The whole sausage, the whole round sausage, that's the jalapeno sausage. The cut sausage is just the regular sausage. We put more of the regular sausage in there than the whole jalapenos because in that way, it ain't too bad, right? Look at that. Now, I'm going to tell y'all what I did. I left it in there a bit too long. The colors are still there, but they ain't there the way I want them to be, okay? And I could have done this better. So I'm going to tell y'all this right here. This is what you do. Cook the sausage, kick the sausage in the whatchamacallits by itself, and then mix it all together at the end. That'll be better. That's just me. I'm telling y'all. Listen, it is what it is, but here it is. And thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. And be sure to like, subscribe, share, and come on back to Voices from the Kitchen. Until next time, we see y'all. Bye now.